everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome to my channel. We are going to do a pendant project this week. It's going to be a very simple one. Even though I have a lot of stuff out on the mat, we're only going to be using a few pieces, but I just wanted to show you what I had, what was available to me. This is going to be our focal. It's a doublet with kind of like a mosaic tile. You can see the sections in there, and it is so beautiful. I mean, it's got, look at that flash of blue right there. We've got pinks and greens and browns. I love this type of shell. So this is what we're going to be doing today. It did have a bale. It was three strands of seed beads. And I imagine it was on a seed bead necklace, but it wasn't on the necklace when I started this project. But I did take the seed beads off, and I wiped this down, and I had these. Okay, I had these bales, which would have been okay, you know, add a jump ring there, you know, would have hung just fine, but I really wanted something different. I will use those eventually. Got those at Walmart, I think. But anyway, I wanted a pinch bale, and I didn't have any, so I ordered some. And it came, there was 120 pieces in 6 different colors. On Amazon is where I got them. The reason I got these is because they were brass. So they're not going to be magnetic. And that's what I like. I don't like using magnetic pieces. I guess that's why I don't like costume jewelry all that much, but I don't like the magnetic pieces. But anyway, this is why I got these, and they came in this color. It looks like silver, but actually I think this is the silver one, or the silver tone. This is supposed to have the look of platinum. This one said red copper. Red copper, I think of pure, natural copper. This one looks like it has a patina. If it were a copper, it would have a patina on it. But still, that's a copper. This is a bronze. Oh, I see lots of fun in my future. These will be gone in no time. This one is a gunmetal. So it's got that deep gray, blackish tone. And this one was called golden. So a very bright gold tone. So that's what came in the package. This one, well, it could go with several different ones. I think the bronze, it would have been because it picks up the brown tones. But the back is black, which it would have been okay because you don't see the black, but you could have worn it either way. But I decided, nah, against that one. This one too, because of the browns in it, would have been acceptable. It's not where I went. Again, this is a gunmetal, but it looks like it has some brown hues to it as well, and I think, I don't know, maybe it's just my lighting, maybe it's my eyes, but anyway, that too would have gone. I think this was a definite no. This was too bright. It took away from it. So then we got the silver. Definitely works because you can see it does pick up. The shell has some silvery tones to it. I thought that was too bright. Do you care my logic in this? Anyway, so this one was just a little less shiny. And this is the one I think we're going to go with. This one works for me. And it goes good with the black too, in case you want to wear a black pendant. So this is the one we're going to use today. I hope everyone's having a good day, and I hope you're ready for this project. Let me get this cleared away, just bring out the pieces that I'm going to need to work with, and we'll get started. All right, I'm back, and I have just the one bail and the pendant and the tools that I am going to use for this. For anyone that hasn't used a pinch bail before, it has these little prongs in the center. You open this up ever so gently. You put your pendant inside. Might have to open that a little bit more. And honestly, let me see if I can get another one that's closed up a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. They're all pretty much open. Let me squeeze that one. If you see, the prongs, this much distance is too much. We need probably just a little bit more than what one is. So we're going to be snipping off some of these prongs, some part of the prongs. And that's, I have my flush cutters for that. And then I have a regular, actually I should have a flat nose plier, but I have these pliers for actually opening and closing, but I also have my nylon jaw pliers. If I can use these, I will, because them being nylon, they won't mar the surface. So, and I don't know, like I said, these are a brass base metal, but I don't know what they've used to give it the color. So, and how thick that coloring is, it could scratch off. So, before we get into this, I want to show that I did make one using the pinch bail off camera, and it's a similar, if you look at the tones, the coloration is very similar. I love these. And this one, as you can see, I did cut down the prongs to allow it to be just about closed, but enough to where it had some movement, a little bit of space there. And that's what hopefully this one will look like. And then all this needs is a chain. So we've got that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take just a, let me start with this one, it's closer to me. We might have to do this several times. Okay, we've got just a, gosh, you don't even know. Don't know if you can see that. It's just the slightest amount I took off. And I'm going to do that on the other side, and then, don't need much, and then we'll see. I might need to take a little bit more off of this one, but see if I can do this with my hands. Yeah, okay, I think that's still too much. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit more off and hold one side, pull it open. I'll probably be able to do it with my hands. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more off of this one. Yeah, like I said, just the slightest amount. I'm going to take a little bit more off of this side as well. That might do it. So I'm going to do, oh, this is pretty good. Just going to, I hope I'm not too close here. So I'm just going to take these and try to get them a little closer, but still giving them some wiggle room. A little bit more. I think that might be good. Well, how simple was that? Very, very simple project. we've got that bail on, and I have a couple of sterling silver chains that I have. I like the precious metals, so let's see, yeah, that would be, and that is one reason why I picked this color, because I mean, I probably have other chains, but I don't have access to them right now. Is that not gorgeous? I love it. I also have a snake chain that would look just as good. We got this one. We'll put this on. This is a 16-inch chain, I think, and this one I believe was 24 inch. But it's, you know, you can put any type of chain you want on this. I like a box chain, so that's an option. I have some of those. You can use a silk cord, a leather cord, a rubber cord. Of course, I mean, you can use anything you want. A ribbon. But this is what we've got. So cute. I've got this. This is just, I think, oh, wait a minute. Oh, that does have a pull. I thought it might be stainless, because it didn't. But isn't that Millefiori? And that, well, this is a bright. Again, this, I think the platinum, the silver, the sterling tone is, well, it's not sterling, but it's a silver tone. It's much brighter. So it's, yeah, I think that's a much better match. Looks like there's something done in there. But I'm going to be using one of these on this. I've already done the process, so I'm not going to bore you with that. But I think, and I can use one of these chains or a different chain. But I have so many pendants with the hole on the top. Again, this one, well, it's, you know, it still has the pinks, the greens, the blues. I just love that. And this one is already an earring, and it has a pinch bail. I think it needs to be cut down just a little bit, but I think, no, I need a jump ring for this to create the hole this way. But isn't that so cute? And it's an earring. I only had one of them, but we'll turn that into a pendant. And these, I'm not so sure of. This one has a lot of blemishes, if you will. So I'm not sure about that one. And this is what was on here. But it's magnetic. I didn't want that. Oh well, very simple. If you've never worked with pinch bails before, get yourself some. They are so much fun, and you can do so many things with them. Like with the earring, you get a small, this I think was a 7 millimeter that I purchased. But they come in different sizes, you know, 4, 6, 8. So depending on what you want to make with it, I think this would even, this would work for this as well, if you wanted a larger look. You can do whatever you want, whatever you like to wear, make, sell. It's endless. So anyway, that's it. I try to bring on a little bit of content from time to time. I know you're getting tired of hearing how busy I am, but you know, I'm hoping things will settle down. I'll get a day or two here and there, and I'll bring on other things. Hopefully as much fun as this. I just think this is, I love these. But if you know me, you know I love everything. So anyway, that is going to do it. I hope you all stay well, stay safe, stay crafting, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.